living in my dreams, living in my dreams, living in my dreams, living in my dreams. I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams, living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams, living in my dreams. She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and then she could laugh all the little lies you tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams, 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 living in my dreams. I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why?
So hey guys, so this is like a zigzag type of flat twist in front. My initial plan was to add a puff. This style is perfect, but it can work, but Sister Puff has to come and say hello. I'm going to attach Sister Puff on my hair now because when I was envisioning this style, she was part of it, so she has to complete her role. And as usual, we always have to paint Sister Puff so we do not have stories that touch the heart. Okay? If you're new to this channel and you don't know who Sister Puff is, she's this puff. I made her myself. This is a Puff 2.0, by the way. I made her myself with kinky hair, so you can definitely make yours if you are interested, she comes in handy when you want like a puff and your hair is not long enough, or your hair is like the length of mine. She definitely comes in handy like this. This is what this hairstyle is looking like. It is absolutely beautiful. By the way guys, whenever I show you guys my hairstyle, if I'm not going out with this style, I do not put so much effort on my lines, but whenever I'm going out, I make sure like my lines are like set and straight, because I just want it set and straight. But yeah, this is what my hair is looking like. This is my final result. What do you guys think? I actually love this whole concept of zigzag. At first I was confused if I'm going to like it or not, but I actually really like it. It's giving 5 minutes, it's giving quick hairstyle, school hair, is giving casual date, it's giving hang out with my friends, it's giving dates, it's giving, you know, elegance, it's giving simplicity, you know all the good things my hairstyle gives. That's what it's giving. Anyways, I've come to the end of this video. Let me know what you guys think about this video. If you like it, let me know in the comment section. If you're going to do it, let me know in the comment section. Sister Puff has been there. I just put her in my hair stash and I brought her out. It's been a while I did a style with Sister Puff, so definitely she had to come out and show herself. Okay. Alright guys, I've come to the end of this video. Let me know what you guys think. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.